not recording your video, which of course you have not opened up your video. It's only me. My face is visible. What I'm speaking, it's visible. That is being recorded right now also on my second phone. This I'll put it up on my YouTube, and the link for the same will be shared with you on our WhatsApp group. Right, students?
Okay.
As well as, of course, yes, if you are comfortable to use your school app, I'll be sharing it on the school app as well with you. So any other thing that you feel, if you can give me a feedback that where you find a difficulty, because see, I know you're busy with your physics, chemistry, mathematics, you're running with your tuition classes, but English is your cup of tea. You can score better as to what you have done right now, right? So please tell me where you feel, what you evaluate for yourself that you really need more practice in. For your right advertisement, Ananya, she's mentioned it. Yes, this I'm going to do it with you. Job application letter, if it's clear, give me thumbs up, and still if you wish that we have to do it again, we'll do it by understanding the details about it. Please let me know what else we require more precision in. Writing section, Anushka is answered. Ma'am, writing section, thumbs up. We'll pick it up. We'll pick it up. So that means more so the feedback that I have received in these last 20-30 seconds, it tells me that more so in our writing section. And I think you are right, because if you look your different books like Oxford, like BBC, I need to improve my writing. Yes, and formats. Arsh is mentioning that formats. Yes, we have to take care of the formats as well, because different books are following different formats. So, which is why students who are studying their English in the last minute, they get confused. This book is saying something else. Take your example of notice writing. Where to write down date, where to write down the heading, you get confused. So I'm going to discuss with you the formats that CBSE is asking us, even the formats that they have mentioned in their on their site. If you get any time chance, cbse.nic.in. I repeat again, cbse.nic.in. If you see that, you will identify that yes, the formats are mentioned there with each and everything in detail, which these books are not following. So anyhow, we'll look into it. Now, if this part is clear to you, deleted part A is clear to you, deleted syllabus that I've discussed with you. Second part, of course, yes, the feedback that I wanted to give you for your objective and subjective type paper. If it's clear to you, then we'll move on to our third part of the class. So is it clear to my students, part A and part B? If it's clear, please give me thumbs up in writing. Or all
Yes,
right.
ma'am,
So now let's move to our part 3 of the class. Now in my part 3, what I wish to do with you is that today we will pick up a topic, and if you allow me, if you have books with you, then but then again, literature part is something that you really don't want to look into. This is what I got the feedback. So I'm not touching literature part, though I wanted that we'll pick up chapter wise, we'll have a discussion, I'll let you know some important points, which for timing we can keep. We'll do this maybe in our future classes, but let me now, I'll make a change in my plan. I wish to do with you chapter 1, but let us not do it right now. Let us pick up apart from writing section. Which part should I pick up? Should we do notice writing first or the advertisement, dear students? Let me pick up your notice writing. You want to say advertisement. Harshal Joshi has mentioned advertisement. Okay. So now, believing that I think that you know nothing of advertisement, believing this, and I'm going to put some formats after the class as well. I will put some formats as well for your advertisements. Now, your advertisements, classified advertisement, you have to take care of. Number 1, of course, yes, economy of space. Number 2, making a box. Number 3, that first word always needs to be in capital. Number 4, number 5, what is there? You have to, when you are writing your advertisement, please make sure that once when you are ending it, starting, I've informed you how you have to start. Alright, first you have to write down the heading. Please do not leave a line. You might have seen my videos there. I am asking you that you have to leave a line. LAL. If you have seen my videos, LAL means leave a line. Dear students, for your advertisement, as soon as you make a box, you will not leave a line. You will not leave a line. In the center of the box, you are going to mention the title for which you are writing. Can be car, depends upon what type of question they have asked you. Car for sale. It can be to let. It can be matrimonial. You have to mention it. That what type. Even before that, even before the box, often we see students do not mention classified advertisement. Before you make a box, uske upar you have to write down something. And what is that? You have to mention classified advertisement in capitals. Then you will make a box. As soon as you make a box, your word count, we start counting your words. Classified advertisement is not counted, but yes, it is required so far as your CBSE format is asked for. When you make a box, in your box, without leaving a line, in the first line itself you will write down the caption, not the caption but the title, car for sale if it is, or if it is missing person, if it is for an appeal, I repeat again, for an appeal, maybe for the earthquake victims, or maybe tsunami, or maybe some accident has occurred somewhere and somebody is in need of money, or for a kidney transplant, an appeal if it is for. So that word or group of words you will be writing in the center of the first line within the box. After that, no LAL. I repeat again, no LAL. No LAL. No leaving a line. Soon after that, from the left hand side of your rectangular box, you will write down your first word which you have to think before you write. But I'm going to give you 10 samples that will be more than sufficient for you to see that what kind of vocabulary is used. You are writing sentences in your classified advertisement. Please do not write sentences in your classified advertisement. You have to mention the content words. So for example, available. What is available? Maybe if it is for house for rent, or if you want to rent out a house, it can be any way around. How you have to end the letter? You have to end the letter by mentioning your contact details, which should not be clustered. It should not be name, address, phone number, and then you also mention pin box number. Please, I will let you know in my next class when do we write down our pin box number. How do we write down our PO box number? It is written only and only for your advertisement part, but this we are going to discuss in our next class, because as it is, I think time is almost going to get over for this particular class. So what you have to do is, you will be mentioning your name. If you have decided, because for your matrimonials, most of us wish not to leave our name. We wish that we will be mentioning the PO box number, which has a different story to it that I'll explain you in my next class. So what is required? We require here that we are mentioning our contact details, which includes our name and phone number, or name and address but not phone number. So don't clutter it. Don't write too much of information that let me write everything. So in today, whatever I could explain in these last 4 to 5 minutes, still I'll pick this topic once again in my next class. In your advertisement, as for today's class, please remember, starting with your first word in alphabet, contact details should not be clustered with so much of information. Either you mention name and phone number, or name and address, or simply PO box number, which should be much preferred when you are picking up writing matrimonials, when you are picking up how to write matrimonials, right students? And not to write sentences, so I think now we are left with not enough time, but I think this much part is clear to my students. So next time I'll bring some samples, we'll discuss those samples, and side by side we'll mark our important points, and accordingly please keep your 2 books also always ready with you. Your writing section, a register should be ready with you. What is required for your internal assessment, I'll let you know, but we'll pick up from our advertisement class in our upcoming, I'll inform you for our upcoming sessions in our on our WhatsApp group. So I think ma'am, do we use comma? Yes, first of all, let me compliment you all. I really want that you should ask your questions, because once when you ask your questions, wherever there are gaps, we are able to fill up those gaps. So please be in a habit of asking questions. Whosoever has asked, thanks a lot for asking this question. Yes, we make use of commas. We make use of semicolon. We are making use of commas. We are putting the information all together because sentences are not required here. We are, and please prefer not to write in first person. Do not write your advertisement in first person. Right, students? So how should we end an advertisement? Always with contact details, in which we have a choice. Either we can have our name and phone number, or our name and address, or PO box number, What should be the last line before contact? It will be related to your topic. For example, if it is about a missing person, so you are mentioning the details of the missing person: height, color, thin, fat, what are the physical attributes of the person. You are mentioning by putting comma, right? And if you feel that you wish to award a person with a suitable reward, then that line can be mentioned. That means maximum 2 sentences, but in those so-called 2 sentences, but we have, with the help of commas, we have clubbed in the information in my so-called 2 sentences, not in first person. And thereafter my third part is going to be my contact details, not my, but contact details, which surely will be given in your question. And if not given, not like your class 10th ABC, please create some name. Do create, but yes, in your English paper you will be getting a name. Surely yes, a name will be given to you, that you are so and so, and this is what is required. So kindly write your advertisement, whatever the details will be, and we'll be practicing certain questions also, right? All right. If we end our advertisement in the middle of a line, so do we go to the next line for the... No. The answer to this is you are not supposed to go to the next line. You will be using the same line. This is what most of us have done, that if they have finished their last sentence or the line of their advertisement for the contact details, they are using the line, which is they are using a second line. Please do not make use of the second line. There itself you should have, it will look like a small paragraph, right? It will look like a small paragraph, nothing, something, you don't have to separate it out, and most of the books have separated this out. And believe me, as a CBSE resource person for English writing section, I could make it out that a lot of mistakes are there. So please students, ask your million questions, but please feel free to ask your questions. Don't follow what your books are mentioning. Even in BBC, there are certain details that when we'll sit with our books, we'll identify that how you have to write down your articles, how you have to write down your report writing. Article and report writing to you looks the same. Ma'am, can you explain it on a white sheet here? On a white sheet here, I'll be picking the same thing up in my next class, because as it is I can see as per the stopwatch we are just left with a minute. Just a minute is left for the class to get over. So in my next class, what we'll do is we'll start, as soon as you will come, we'll start with the advertisement part, and accordingly I'll make it more clear. Okay students, bye bye for now. The Zoom meeting is over. Take care.